Oh my God. Fox, man. About ready to hit that canyon trail here in a few. It's pleasant out. Nice dry sun. It's not too oppressive. Yeah, last night it was pretty quiet. You can hear the highway pretty well. But what's really loud is when the train comes through, that Union Pacific. Those horns on the train will wake even the deepest sleeper. I feel like this is the restroom campground at night. This whole area is illuminated by those giant restroom lights. Seems to be a lot of people from across the world around here. The guy pulled up and was like, "Where is the pot of coolest?" It's Pam. She's on duty. She has been diligent all day, swooping in and trimming the weeds. She even picks up sticks. Almost tripped over one of those sticks last night. I was walking down the street. Boom, there's a twig in the road. Pam just won't leave me alone. Finally. That's an evil looking tick, isn't it? But yeah, you can get your passes for boating here. You got the backcountry camping option. Upriver campers.
She's an upriver camper living in an upriver world.
You may not retain sturgeon. Nothing indicates life except the occasional juniper tree. And there's life along the river, though. Group loops, anybody? The trail begins. Go! Look at some sort of zip line thing. That would be fun to zip across the river. Barbed wire. Why? Excuse me, Mr. Serpent. Would you please get out of the way? This is a birder's paradise, I tell you. I've seen all kinds of crazy birds. Man, it is hot. That sun. Whew. There's a really cool camp down there. And some weird artifacts from the pioneer days. Big group of campers down there. Tubular, man. That columnal basalt chunk just fractured, fell right off. Hope that doesn't happen right now on top of my head. Oops. In this park, you can either take the high ground or the low ground. You can see there's a path down there. I like to mix it up, you know, a little high, a little low. Take a bath, anybody? Here's where I turn around. I think I see the mile 6 post up there. Forgot what I was gonna say. Oh. What am I doing out here 6 miles into the trail, you might ask yourself? Well, I'm crazy, okay? Ow, it's a stick. Or maybe I'll go spook those campers. I'll sneak up and jump out. No, the dogs would hear me coming. It'd be amazing if I don't trip over these rocks. Gotta be very careful. I mean, there are rattlesnakes hiding between rocks. Don't do anything foolish, okay? Whoa. And the wind, man. Very dry out here. The only trees are directly along the riverbank. You follow me? You follow me? And then you got these charred trees. The only explanation I can tell is lightning bolts coming down. Burn the tree. You see the bottom isn't burned, just the top. I'm actually looking forward to this walk back as it gets darker and darker. And then the stars come out. It's the Game Commission camp, 6.3 miles in. It's even designated as the outhouse for that site I was at. You're supposed to bring your own firewood. Did they haul that firewood in? Boop.
Esta ducha está abierta.
Whoa. Oh man. What's all that hair? Man, it smells like ass in here. I am wasted after that hike. So sore and tired. Pam is hard at work again. She's doing a great job. Beauty of this place is something else. Here I am on the Rock Pile Trail, the other side of the canyon here. That's the rock pile. Gotta make sure there's not a rattlesnake in the outhouse. Look, you can see backpackers, man. That looks tough. If I was doing it, I'd feel like I was punishing myself or something. To be severely encumbered, spending days out here hiking around. You've been naughty, and now you have to carry a 100-pound backpack and go wander down the canyon, sit in the dark. Yeah, look at all these birds. I was over there along the canyon wall just after dark, and boom, this huge like white owl comes diving down, hooting. It dove down all the way down to the river. I could see the white in his feathers glistening. According to my map, this trail ended, I don't know, maybe about a mile ago. But there's still a path. And I was looking ahead and I was like, oh, there's a fence. It's been cut. So yeah, those people I saw camping were down there in the grove.
Little windy, huh?
Okay. Start the long, weird trek back.